is about some secret settings by using your volume button in Android phone. So to know about these tricks, watch this video until the end, and please support me by tapping the like button, and please subscribe my channel. So let's go to Play Store, because you need a special app for this to use the volume button to for typing, and this is the most important trick by using your volume button in Android phone. So go to Play Store, tap and search on an app typing control, and tap to install. So it is reinstalled, downloaded and installed. Now typing control is installing. So this app is needed for to use our volume button for typing. So you should install this app and tap on open, and these are some features of this app. You must read it. Use your volume keys to easily move the cursor in any text field. On volume keys allows you to undo and read out text edits by long press. So you must read these features and tap on OK, and you need to start service, and this app is saying it should give an accessibility. So you need to show the settings, and you must read this some instructions here. This app requires the accessibility service permission in order to be able to move the cursor and detect the running apps. This app will be able to retrieve the active window content in order to read the cursor position to move the cursor. This app will be able to observe the actions related to the interface in order to detect the currently active app, and then provide contextual functioning and per app settings. And this app will be able to observe the user's typing in order to detect volume keys events. So tap on show the settings, and tap on typing control option on this button, and tap on OK. Now this app is already functioning, and you need to tap on this app and tap on start service, and tap this plus sign, and you can access which app you need to use by your volume button in your Android phone. I will use volume button in my, what should I use, Canva. Yeah, right. And tap on OK, and then you can see a magic. Tap on this, and if you want to search something, you just tap on search button, and if you write something, theme of friendship, if you want to add a word inside this sentence, you just click on your volume button. Just look at this. I'm using my volume button. Okay, the cursor is moving, and when we press long press, it will delete the sentence. Okay, now you can type theme of good friendship. And you can search. So this app is useful for this technique, and also watch my other videos in my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.